and I'm the detective. First, I go to do wires. Lights went out, and I quickly went to the other side and saw Yellow dead by Yellow Shapeshifter. Blue says it's Rose, so we vote out Rose, and she is the imposter. There she goes. I got trapped in storage, but saw no one there. Green dies in navigation. Not Cyan. Not Blue. Black did shields. Cyan dead in cafeteria. Not Tan, but Coral indeed. Coral was actually an imposter. Ha ha ha. Blue died in security. Tan and I were the only ones out. White must be it. And there White goes. GG's. Now sub.